Hi guys, welcome to Backend Engineering School. And as part of today's video, I have an announcement for you. If you are a fresher, mid-level developer or any senior developer interested enough to understand the concepts of microservices, I have a good news. I have created this free course for making you to understand the communication patterns in microservices. This course covers 5 different communication patterns: REST, RPC, event driven, service mesh, and transactional messaging. This course is entirely free. You don't have to pay a single money for it. So once you try to click on enroll, it will ask you to create your account. So you can go to backendengineering.io. This is my website. You can go to course, you can click on microservices, click on communication patterns, and then you can enroll it directly, right? And the outcome of this course, you can understand the different trade-offs. What are the different how communication works across microservices, what are the different trade-offs involved with it, and you could be an expert into the microservices. And I hope that this will help you either to upgrade your career or to help you to crack any interview that where the microservices could be one part of it, right? And it can help you. It's totally free and you can go and enroll it. Thank you so much, guys.